Tenemos mucho en común. We have a lot in common. We have a lot in common. Tenemos. We have. Mucho. A lot. En común. In common. We have a lot in common. Tenemos mucho en común. Tuvimos una crisis. We had a crisis. We had a crisis. Tuvimos. We had una crisis. A crisis. We had a crisis. Tuvimos una crisis. ¿Es conveniente para ti? Is it convenient for you? Is it convenient for you? ¿Es? Is it? Conveniente? Convenient? Para ti? For you? Is it convenient for you? ¿Es conveniente para ti? Is it convenient for you? Tengo muchas copias. I have many copies. I have many copies. Tengo. I have. Muchas. Many. Copias. Copies. I have many copies. Tengo muchas copias. Oh shit. Límpialo antes de mañana. Clean it before tomorrow. Clean it before tomorrow. Límpialo. Clean it. Antes de. Before. Mañana. Tomorrow. Clean it before tomorrow. Estos parecen nuevos. These seem new. These seem new. Estos. These. Parecen. Seem. Nuevos. New. These seem new. Estos parecen nuevos. Encontré un nuevo trabajo. I found a new job. I found a new job. Encontré. I found. Un nuevo. A new. Trabajo. Job. I found a new job. Encontré un nuevo trabajo. Podemos confirmarlo. We can confirm it. We can Confirm it. Podemos. We can. Confirmarlo. Confirm it. We can confirm it. Podemos confirmarlo. We can confirm it. Espero que sea correcto. I hope it's correct. I hope it's correct. Espero. I hope que sea. It's correcto. Correct. I hope it's correct. Espero que sea correcto. Ellos no son locos. They are not crazy. They are not crazy. Ellos, they, no son, are not, locos, crazy. They are not crazy. Ellos no son locos. Ella no ve bien. She doesn't see well. She doesn't see well. Ella, she, no ve, doesn't see, bien, well. She doesn't see well. Ella no ve bien. Este es nuestro último. This is our last one. This is our last one. Este es. This is. Nuestro. Our. Último. Last one. This is our last one. Condenamos lo que pasó. We condemn what happened. We condemn what happened. Condenamos. We condemn lo que, what, pasó, happened. We condemn what happened. Condenamos lo que pasó. We condemn what happened. Límpiate la nariz con esto. Clean your nose with this. Clean your nose with this. Límpiate. Clean. La nariz. Your nose. Con. With. Esto. This. Clean your nose with this. Límpiate la nariz con esto. Depende del contexto. It depends on the context. It depends on the context. Depende. It depends. Del. On the. Contexto. Context. It depends on the context. Depende del contexto. Conecta los cables. Connect the cables. Connect the cables. Conecta. Connect. Los. The. Cables. Cables. Connect the cables. Tengo estos síntomas toda la semana. I have these symptoms all week. I have these symptoms all week. Tengo. I have. Estos. These. Síntomas. Symptoms. Toda. O. La semana. Week. I have these symptoms all week. No puedo convertirlo. I can't convert it. I can't convert it. No puedo. I can't convertirlo. Convert it. I can't convert it. No puedo convertirlo. No lo dejes en el frío. Don't leave it in the cold. Don't leave it in the cold. No, don't, lo dejes, leave it, in el frío, the cold. Don't leave it in the cold. No lo dejes en el frío. Vemos algo en la distancia. We see something in the distance. We see something in the distance. Vemos. We see algo, something, in the distancia, distance. Vemos algo en la distancia. We see something in the distance. El nuestro funciona mejor. Ours works better. Ours works better. El nuestro, ours, funciona, works, mejor, better. Ours works better. Haré una contribución. I will make a contribution. I will make a contribution. Haré. I will make una contribución. A contribution. I will make a contribution. Haré una contribución.